Zisanyepha zi-oil. Sefikile kodwa. Ushaba kosita. Ushiba kosita. Akose adizamo bethatho zabantu. As a young preacher, I'm trying to understand. I'm still very small in church. I'm trying to figure out why would be a need for extra things. Why he has finished the work in Calvary. Somebody can balance this for me, please. We out in, oh God, help me, Jesus. We out in at Sefigi, oh Lord. Please, somebody help me, somebody help me. We out in the training and at the Sunday school. Lajum Sebens, Upelele, Calvary. Between the holy place and the holy of holies. It is but to those that accept him, he gave them the power to be called the children of God. Which one is for this arm? The city into Pesquaneto. What you go see if it's not my way, if it's your way, let this cup pass, but your will be done. Lord, to blow 80 people, Wabe to assemble 39 lectures. Wafamu Saba Samelva, Wakopo Zikas, Batatum Namles of our beggar Pesquak, Bamko Bexe Golgotha, I figure Golgotha, Wafigure on Misakona, Wafagua and Namlesin, and Fama Nabana being two criminals. 80 people take I figure corner, what I'm testy. Cotton and it will let to your house. I think again. Somebody better help me. What mother? Behold the son. Son, behold the mother. A parrot come listen. Salo Havela omnis give usati. Utaining Jehovah's a hissy pesqualomti. Umunyanaratiko. Atom Pale Pipele. He could have called 10,000 angels, but he did not. One in Upsati Pesqualento. If you Pipele, Omni Havela Gapa. What is Tina so nearly what beggar, a measure pumikas, what in Amshanje, I will be with you in paradise. You taste a chonjalo, living back below a cross, Elisa Pesul, what Eloi, Lama Sabalata. Iti Pipele, Ilanga la Chona, Incanyesa fell before time. Oti Pipele Pilato, I beg, what Lompano Peswak, Opali with the king of the Jews, O Isaiah the prophet, what the Messiah is coming, what Maoto Lompano, Bahati Amaroma, I'm a soldier, we can't take the writing. What is written is written. Some years to a city, unto you I give my spirit. Zapumi Kanyesa Vala. And put them, Bameshisem Nableswin, Bamfaga, Etune, Rechelia Tesi, Wafela. What the devil give me the kiss? Afule Kamangwaba, Babona Bandwele, you been a little Pesquaneto, who's a ticket into foot. It's a pepper the way me a tesi. What he give me the kiss? What start is here? What Pumanaso? What Palum Pali? What the early Sunday morning? What the early Sunday morning? Ufagele, Maria, Mama Yeso, Maria was a Catalin, but the Messiah into a belly, the Muslim who shall remove the stone for us. But fear would enter the Pesqual Legion, and why you look for the living amongst the dead. What go and tell Peter and my disciples, we shall meet in Galilee. Some will proclaim a city. All power has been given to me in heaven and on earth. Oh yes, he is the image of the invisible God. He's the lily of the valley. He's the bright and the morning star. He's the rose of Sharon. He's the rock of ages. He's the rock that the builders rejected. His name is Jehovah. He feeds 5,000 people with 2 fish and 5 loaves. He walks on water. He silences the storms. He opens the grave. Jesus. He is the difference. Ufuna batwala, ukholesa amanzi. He's a cloud by day. He's a fire by night. Yes. Don't give me anything. Leave me with Jesus. Don't give me anything. Yes.
sonke sizothandaza. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Ngifuna simbulele nje uThixo ngokusinika unyana wakho ngoYesu. Ulibale ngakho konke. Ulibale ngakho konke. And if wakwazi ukukunikeza uYesu, aya lonto leyo sisiqinisekiso ayisekho into eneveli ukodlula lese wakunikeza yona. Mele uphole zonke izinto uzidingayo uzawuzithola because sowathole enkulu. Sowathole enkulu. Ukhona ukuthi lo mtshato endiwufunayo, le ndlu endiyifunayo, nale moto endiyifunayo ndizayifumana. Babuza abantu ubonani, uthi ndibona lese ndiyinikiwe. Ayikho eseyishiyekile engeveli ukodlula lese ikhotshiwe. If ukwazile ukunikeza uYesu unyana wakhe ndisemanyaleni, akohlolwa yintoni ukunikeza indlu ndisemphila ubudwele. Lento kufelwa nguYesu sesiqinisekiso uba yikho into esingangayitholi, because ayisakho into eshiyeke ezulwini eneveli ukodlula lese ikhutshiwe. Ngifuna siphuma apha sinesibindi ukuthi yonke lento esiyifunayo sizayithola because seyinkulu esesiyitholile. Ayalababoshantaphasai Mondaya abela phezulu uthi mamela Sathana laleya ukuthi ayikufanelanga indifanele ngoba sengayithola eyayingandifanelanga. Ake sithandaze sonke sibonge uJehova. Akuvula umlomo wakho, akuvula umlomo wakho bonke uJehova. Khawubonge ngoba khona kaYesu. Khawubulela ukuthi ukhona empilweni yakho. Ukhona, 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 ukhona.